Hey guys, sorry about that cut off from the last video I just made. So, recently in my last video, I just unboxed these buses from the bus set that I just lost. Oh, it's right there. And these three buses are right there. Now, next it's time to move on for our work train shed. Also, right when I said I'm about to unbox this, and that's when the video just ended. So, luckily I didn't just get into the unboxing part, and then that just happened. You hear my brother arguing in the distance with my younger brother. It's gonna take forever to open this again. Yeah, let me actually use my pencil. Also, just to keep in mind, today was the 26th annual bus festival. It already ended, so sorry if you guys didn't go today. This box is like a little bit dented, but it doesn't really matter. It's just a box. Is this actually a depot right now? I think that's a depot. Not depot, like a shed or something. I think I'm ripping it. Let me see if this is in a shed. Oh, also, I wanted to show this. I forgot to. They gave some coloring books, and I really don't care for them. I'm gonna keep this. This little XD60, I believe. 5364. Isn't it an LFSA number? 5364. If I'm not bugging. I think it is. Man, I'm gonna be struggling to open this box. Shaking the camera all over the place. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a second. Sorry, guys. Oopsies. I don't want my videos to be like recording the trains with that phone in my hand, like just one-sided, and then yeah, don't want to record like that. Because then what's gonna happen is that there's only gonna be like two sides blocking off, and that's gonna be like kind of annoying. So I really hate it when that happens. But wow, I already ripped the side. Why did I do that? Luckily, it comes with like two sheds. They actually should have made this like a little bit easier to open instead of having to like take out the sheds while kind of ripping it a little bit. So yeah. Luckily, I have this one left, but I kind of like ripped this one a little bit. Hold on a second. Let's take these two out. Trains. The other paper, gonna have a lot to take off my bed. Like, see what I kind of did, like, right here? It's kind of because, like, you know, it's kind of hard to take out the work sheds for some reason. It's probably, I got it under control. I have a lot of stuff to take off my bed. Look at all that paper. I know that the set was gonna be, like, that much. Now for this right here. Hopefully this is that, quote-unquote Redbird that they converted into a work train. Nope, I think it's the R61. Oh, R47, I believe. Yeah, this is the R47, I think. R47? This one right here, I could tell it's a flatbed car. So, let's, oh no, yeah, it is a flatbed car. And for this one right here, let me take this pencil out. So obviously, the last Redbird that technically completes my entire Munipals set now. So, technically I'll actually have the whole set, except the Midtown Manhattan Subway set, which doesn't really come with any tracks or nothing. But yeah, what I mean by the entire Munipals set is that I have all the trains, this including tracks and stuff, and stations, but yeah. Another thing is that I don't have to order the Orion 7 and the RTS like separate. My brother just got a separate RTS. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. So my brother's fighting with that RTS that he dropped outside earlier, so that was already cracked, like a little bit right there. See what I mean by the camera can't focus? It's my brother's RTS 06, along with those two Redbirds. Let's compare it. RTS has any difference in size. Hey, hold on. These actually kind of look a little bit different in size. Yep, I see the difference. I think. Yeah. It's not really like different though, but you see like a little bit of a difference. Yeah, it's not really different. Or maybe this was a little bit darker for some reason. But if I like over here, and I don't, it's not really any different. Besides that crack at the top that my brother did, that's not mine. This one is. This one's not mine. So let me put this back. Exactly where it was. I think like right here. Nobody ever knows I moved it. Yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. And later. Gonna have to laugh and lock things up now.